Alright, so let's move on back to Blender. Okay, let's go back into object mode. Again, you got a good starter model. Shift D to move it over to another stage. Okay, keep your old stages just in case you need to do it. Back it up. Okay, on this one, what would I do now that I've seen a texture? Well, I might go in here to sculpt mode and just hold shift to get rid of the wall on this side. Okay, and then I might go back into deform and then pull this up. And just a little bit of both, like shift to get rid of it. So now maybe I can make that bark dip in this region. So I can go down, and then around, back up. Cool. Alright, now, again, let's go in here. But this time we can remesh this. So let's take this and remesh it. Okay, it's going to give us something that looks like this. We want smooth, and we want to go up, 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 up. And we're starting to get this faceted look to it, right? Unfortunately, there's a couple of things you could do here to like prevent it from being a pain in the butt. So here's how I would handle this. Is go to, let's say, 8 and apply it. Okay, and let's go into sculpt mode and just hold shift. And all we're doing here is we are getting rid of the faceted data. And if you go to the smooth tool, let's go to the smooth tool and turn this down. And now we don't have to hold shift, we could just go naturally through the model. Very quickly. And get rid of all this faceted data. There's a lot of different ways to do this. One, I could have put one more subdivision level over on this side, but I really like playing around with the low poly stuff. It does save me a lot of time later on. And you can produce a much better silhouette with it. Okay, so all I'm doing here is clean this up. Boom. Cool. Alright, once I got that, I'll go back to object mode. And apply the remesh again. Smooth. Up, 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 up. And what I want to do is make enough polys. So here's how I do that. I go into the object properties and go into viewport display and turn on wireframe. And I say, well, that's not a lot of polys. So I can go up, up, and then I'm going to go into statistics. Unfortunately, the statistics go across 3 objects, so that's one bad thing about the statistics. always go down, but I can't go back up. Let's see. I might see what 11 does. It might hate it. Okay, let's apply this. Okay, so far so good. Not too bad. We're going to go into sculpt mode and just kind of play around with it to see what happens. One thing I should do is turn off wireframe. Do not sculpt with wireframe on. And I'm just going to run a brush over the top of it to see what kind of detail I can get. Not bad. Not bad at all. And it's really fast too. Okay. So it passed. Oh yeah. This is awesome. Good. So that's how we get a good base mesh. Now you can go through with the smooth tool and smooth it up a little bit more. And you'll have some happy accidents every once in a while. Alright, so now that that's done, let's go on to the next video.